In 2024, robotics technology has advanced in leaps and bounds, reshaping industries, enhancing everyday life, and prompting important ethical discussions. Modern robots are powered by advanced artificial intelligence systems that enable them to learn from their environments, make decisions, and even exhibit a form of reasoning. These AI capabilities are crucial in applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to personal assistance. Robotics engineers have developed machines with unprecedented mobility and dexterity. For example, Boston Dynamics robots can navigate complex terrains and perform intricate tasks, showcasing their potential in disaster response and industrial settings. Advances in sensors and AI have improved the way robots interact with humans. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside human workers in factories, taking over repetitive tasks and reducing the risk of injury. These cobots are designed to be safe, efficient, and user-friendly. Robots are revolutionizing healthcare by assisting in surgeries, delivering medications, and providing companionship to the elderly. Surgical robots, like those developed by Intuitive Surgical, allow for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and reduced recovery times. The manufacturing sector has embraced robotics to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Automated guided vehicles and robotic arms streamline production lines and warehouse operations, ensuring high accuracy and productivity. From robotic chefs to automated cleaning devices, the service industry is seeing a significant transformation. Robots like SoftBank's Pepper are used in customer service roles, providing information and assistance in retail and hospitality environments. Agricultural robots, or agrobots, are becoming essential in modern farming. They perform tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting with high efficiency. These robots help address labor shortages and increase crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. As robots take over more tasks, concerns about job displacement have grown. While robotics can create new job opportunities in tech and maintenance fields, there is an urgent need for policies that support workforce retraining and adaptation. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors raise privacy and security issues. Ensuring that these machines are used ethically and that data collected is protected is a growing challenge. The increasing autonomy of robots prompts questions about accountability and decision-making. As robots take on roles with significant impacts, such as in healthcare and law enforcement, clear guidelines and regulations are essential to ensure responsible use. The future of robotics is bright, with continuous advancements expected in AI, machine learning, and material science. Innovations such as soft robotics, which mimic natural organisms, and swarm robotics, where multiple robots work together, are on the horizon. These developments promise to expand the capabilities of robots, making them even more integral to our daily lives. In 2024, robots are more than mere machines. They are an essential part of our society, transforming how we live and work. As technology continues to evolve, it is crucial to address the ethical and social implications to harness the full potential of robotics for the betterment of humanity.